Do you know what to say when you meet your loved ones after a long time?
In this video, Jane finally returns home and shares the most emotional conversation.
David, over here.
Jane, finally, welcome home.
I can't believe you're really here.
Of course I'm here. Did you think I would let my little sister arrive alone?
I missed you so much.
I missed you too. Come here.
You're hugging me too tightly.
That's because it's been almost 2 years since I last saw you.
It feels like a dream. Everything happened so fast.
How was your flight? Was it comfortable?
It was okay, just very long. I barely slept.
You look tired but happy.
I'm exhausted. But I'm too excited to care right now.
Mom and Dad have been counting the days until your arrival.
Really?
Mom cleaned your room 3 times this week.
That's so sweet.
And Dad kept asking me, "What time does Jane land again?" Every few hours.
I missed everyone so much.
Come on! Let's get your luggage and go home.
This airport is much bigger than I remember.
They renovated it last year.
It looks modern now.
Yeah, they added new restaurants and shops too.
I wish I had more energy to look around.
You can explore another day. Right now, your mission is to survive the jet lag.
That sounds serious.
Trust me, tomorrow you'll wake up at 3 a.m. feeling fully awake.
Don't scare me.
So, did you have any trouble at immigration?
No, actually, everything went smoothly.
Good. Were you nervous?
A little. I always get nervous answering questions at the airport.
What did the officer ask?
Just basic questions like why I came and how long I'll stay.
That's normal. Which suitcase is yours?
The large blue one and the black carry-on bag.
Wow, this suitcase is heavy.
Be careful. There are gifts inside.
Gifts? For everyone?
Of course. I bought chocolates, perfumes, clothes, and some souvenirs.
Mom is going to love this.
I bought Dad a watch too.
Seriously? He'll be so happy.
He always helped me so much. I wanted to give him something special.
He's going to wear it every day.
What about you?
Me? I don't need anything.
Too late. I bought you something too.
Really? What is it?
Nope. You have to wait until we get home.
That's unfair.
Be patient.
Fine, but now I'm curious.
Good. That's the point.
Comfortable?
Yes. It feels so nice to sit in a car after such a long flight.
Ready to go home?
Go. I can't wait.
Mom has been cooking since morning.
What did she make?
Your favorite chicken biryani, kebabs, and homemade dessert.
Stop. You're making me hungry.
Good thing we're going straight home then.
I miss Mom's cooking so much.
Dad even bought fresh juice and snacks for you.
They're treating me like a celebrity.
That's because you're the guest of honor today.
I feel bad for staying away so long.
Don't feel bad. You are building your future. Mom and Dad are proud of you.
I hope so.
Trust me, they talk about you all the time.
Really?
Especially Mom. She shows your photos to every visitor.
Oh no, that's embarrassing. So what's new with everyone?
Where do I start?
Tell me everything.
Dad started gardening recently.
Dad? Gardening? Seriously?
Yes, he spends hours taking care of flowers now.
I never imagined that.
Mom says it keeps him relaxed.
That's actually sweet.
And our neighbor finally moved away.
The noisy one?
Yep, the whole street celebrated.
I remember him playing loud music at midnight.
Exactly.
What about you? How's work going?
Busy as always, but things are good.
I'm glad to hear that.
Everyone's happier now that you're back for a visit.
Hearing that makes me emotional.
Wait until Mom hugs you. Then the real crying will start.
Wow, this city looks different. A lot has changed in the last few years. There are so many new buildings.
And more traffic, too.
Some things never change.
True.
Hey, that cafe is new, right?
Yeah, it became really popular recently.
We should go there sometime.
Sure, I'll take you around the city this week.
I'd love that.
There's also a huge mall near our neighborhood now.
Really?
Yep, it has a movie theater, restaurants, and even an indoor amusement park.
That sounds amazing.
You're going to feel like a tourist in your own city.
Honestly, I already do.
That's normal after being away for so long.
Still, seeing these streets again brings back so many memories.
Home has a special feeling, doesn't it?
It really does.
We're almost there.
My heart is beating so fast.
Nervous?
A little emotional, actually.
Mom has probably checked the window 20 times already.
I can already imagine her standing near the door.
That's exactly what she's doing.
I missed simple moments like family dinners and conversations at home.
Mom says the house felt quieter without you.
Don't make me cry before we even arrive.
Too late. Your eyes already look watery.
I'm just really grateful to be back.
Dad will probably pretend to stay calm.
But inside, he'll be emotional too?
Definitely. He just hides it better than Mom.
I can't wait to hug them both.
They're going to be so happy tonight.
Honestly, this already feels like the best day of the year.
Look, the lights are on. They're waiting for you.
Oh my goodness. I'm nervous now.
Relax. It's just your family.
Jane, my daughter is home.
Mom, I missed you so much.
Let me look at you properly. You look thinner. Are you eating enough?
Mom, I just arrived. And you already started worrying. If you enjoyed this conversation,
I missed
please
you
hit
so
the like
much.
button and subscribe to Easy
I
English
missed you
with
every
HK.
single
Your
day.
support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.